हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अभी एजुकेशन। वीडियो में जानते हैं कुछ ऐसे मिसकंसेप्शंस, ऐसे लाइज के बारे में जो कि अबाउट योगा आपने ओकेजनली कभी ना कभी जरूर सुने होंगे। सो इस छोटे से वीडियो में कवर करते हैं वो सारे के सारे लाइज एंड मिथ्स। So first one is that yoga is more about the flexibility, and who is more flexible only who can do yoga. So this is a myth and not true, because yoga helps you. अगर आप रूटीन से योगा करते हैं then it helps you to be flexible, and it's not about only the flexibility. So next one is that yoga is for only the people who is very thin or who is very fatty, but this is also a myth and not true, because yoga helps you to manage your body, to balance your body. Who is very thin, then it helps you to grow some weight, and if you are very fatty then it helps you to reduce some weight. So it's all about balancing your body and not only for thin or fatty people. So guys, next is that yoga is all about the tough poses, but tough poses are only the parts of yoga. It's not only about these, because जब आप रेगुलर रूटीन में योगा को फॉलो करेंगे then बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा आपका टफ पोजेस को भी अच्छे से ईजीनेस से करना. सो दिस इज मीथ दैट ओनली अबाउट द टफ पोजेस. यू कैन हेल्प योर सेल्फ टू लर्न हाउ टफ पोजेस कैन डू विद वेरी ईजीनेस. So next is as yoga is very calm and boring. So guys, when you will go to do power and Ashtanga yoga, then it will challenge you, and you will find that how easy and how boring is this. So next is that don't do yoga during periods, and you have heard it many times, but this is not true. This is also a great myth, because yoga helps you to provide relief during the pain of periods, and there are some poses and exercise within yoga which you can do and get more relief during your pain. So you have heard that you have to be master of complex asana in order to get benefit from the yoga. So this is a myth. Yoga is not about the complex asana. It is about to holding the easy and comfortable poses with awareness of thoughts and health. So guys, the next one is about yoga time. You have heard that you have to do yoga for at least 1 hour. This is also a great myth, because yoga is not about the timing. You can do yoga as long as short as you need and you are comfortable in. You can increase your time of yoga with very steady, and जब आप रेगुलर योगा करेंगे then आप slowly इसके टाइम को इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं as per your need, as per your requirement, as per your health requirement. So अगला that yoga is only about meditation and peacefulness. It's not able to avoid, it's not able to help you in order to protect you from the serious kind of disease, because people think that it's only for who is mentally disturbed and in order to provide you calmness, but this is not true. This is also a myth. अगर आप डेली रूटीन में योगा को शामिल किए हुए हैं then you are able to avoid some kind of serious disease, serious health problems. So if it includes yoga in our life, then there are less chances of us getting a major health problems. So last and very interesting myth about the yoga is that only Sikh people and sadhu mahatma who have renounced from their property and houses should do yoga only. But guys, whoever will do yoga, it will provide you equal benefit, and it should be a part of everybody's life. So guys, I hope आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा that yoga is not only for sick people and sadhu mahatmas. It's for everyone to get right from disease if it's done regularly with proper intention. Yoga is not about flexibility, not about complex poses, not about fancy clothes. It provides you in order to creating deeper connections and awareness with self. So however less flexible you are, include yoga in your life as an important part of your life. You will get a lot of benefit from it. And thank you so much for watching this video.